Today we have met 10 pledges for the people of Meghalaya. As we prepare ourselves to engage in this electoral battle in the 2023 Assembly election, as a political party in sync with the spirit of a democracy, a political party has to make pledges, have to make its own agendas known to the people in the form of manifesto. And today we have, along with the 10 pledges, came out with the manifesto of TMC Meghalaya. This is an outcome of an exhaustive due diligence vis-a-vis the aspirations of the people, the strength of the people, the potentialities of the state as a whole, and we have particularly connected with the most important areas of concern, the areas of concern revolving around the economy of the state, as we understand the need to position the state in a stronger wicket in respect of the state's fiscal health. And we are confident to ensure that we generate the kind of momentum of growth and able to have at least two-digit growth rate in the years to come. And with that, we also looked at areas of concern pertaining to the welfare of the people which encompasses people from all walks of life. We have looked at how the state is inflicted by a lack of opportunities, lack of employment for the youth, and lack of sustainable livelihood for the people as a whole. And we have come up with these 10 pledges. We have looked at how to take care of the aspirations of the youth pertaining to the need to create jobs and opportunities for sustainable livelihood. We have looked at how we can ensure an economic guarantee support through Meghalaya financial inclusion for women empowerment, and ensuring that they become part of the story of the whole growth process and prosperity of the state. We have promised to create job opportunities and opportunities for livelihood for the youth in the next 5 years. Will be ensuring an unemployment allowance for our youth.